Let me show you what superpowers your AI agent will gain when you connect it to N8N MCP. Let's start. Here I'll use LM Studio and locally hosted Qwen 3 model. I'll ask to find a workflow template that will automatically back up my workflows to GitHub. Let's run it. Now, call the search templates tool with a query, backup workflows, So it found some workflows and it's going through them, proposing something. All right, now we have 4 propositions from the model. Let's ask it to deploy one of them. Here it is, and it's deployed. So now I have to set up the credentials. It will work. It just took a minute. Now let's move to something more complicated. This time we'll work with Claude. Okay, it has the N8N MCP connected as well. So we will create an endpoint that will accept a text, then use LLM chain with GPT 5.1 model to generate a joke based on this text and respond to webhook with the answer. And let's see how it goes. Okay, it is done. It says I can use it. So let's see in our N8N instance. I refresh again. There it is, joke generator API. Okay, we just need to click it here so that the credentials are set up. I can see GPT 5.1 and the latest versions of the nodes. Let's execute the workflow to register the webhook and activate that. Okay, and go back to Claude to test it and run. It says it works. Let's see. Executions. I see it was called by the model. And there is the joke, there are the logs and the output. And let's see if we can modify a workflow that already exists. So I go back to Claude. Please add explicitly respond to webhook node with proper response status code. It's even testing the workflow once it finishes changing. Changes made, status 200, okay. Let's see, refresh N8N, and there you go. There is a respond to webhook. In executions, we can see it run correctly with responding 200. Great. Now let's move to more advanced use case using with SubAgent. We'll use Cloud Code for this one, and I will ask Cloud Code to review post-chat send workflow that I have, to review executions if there are any errors, and also use N8N Workflow Explorer SubAgent, which is a Haiku agent for this job. And maybe let's add also show me statistics for usage of this workflow. Let's see. Okay, it is done in less than a minute. And we get here statistics, no errors detected. Last 100 executions, 100% success rate, performance, metrics, daily usage, patterns, architecture. Great. This is really great. And since we are in anti-gravity, let's also test if we can use Gemini 3 Pro with N8N MCP. Please explore template library and tell me if there's something for my use case. I want to connect my CRM, Salesforce with Slack. Let's see if it works. Okay, and it is done. It says there are hundreds of templates available for connecting Salesforce and Slack. Very common use case. So we could use also Gemini 3 to then implement and customize those templates. Now let's go to the final demonstration. You can also use N8N MCP for tasks outside of N8N. Let me show you. Let's go back to Claude, and I have this estimator agent that's actually estimating projects for me and helping me build proposals. Let's see. Now I attached 2 transcripts from a conversation with the client, and I asked Claude to estimate that for me. it will use N8N tools to find nodes, to find templates, and see how I can structure delivery of this project for the client. I can see the analysis is ready. It estimated it will be 2 workflows with 24 nodes. I won't share all the details, as this is my business knowledge, but as you can see, it's drawing upon my previous estimations, my previous projects. It has in the context how much time it took, and now it took just maybe 2 minutes. Now I can come back to the client almost instantly saying how much it would cost and what the budget should be. That was just a quick demonstration. So go set up an account, connect your N8N instance, and start building for free today.